What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Do you like my cup? My friend told me about this cup. It's from Amazon and I love anything leopard, so I had to buy it. If you want one, they're like $15, so it's really not that much. And it's Amazon Prime, so it came in like 2 days. What's not to love? Anyway, we're gonna get into this video. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for May. I was a little disappointed in this box, not gonna lie. I will get into that a little later, but let's jump into it. So the theme this month is Mother Nature, and I think it's so cute. Look at the flowers. I heard a lot of people didn't get this little pamphlet thing, which is really weird because they always put this in there. But anyway, I'm happy that I got it, at least. Okay, so the first thing in this month's box is this Tarte Micellar cleanser water stuff. I've used a few micellar waters in the past, but not the Tarte one, so I'm really excited that I got this in today's box. It says you can use it to remove a full face of makeup or as a cleanser. So I'm gonna use it as a cleanser today because I have nothing on my face right now, and I would just want to see if it will pick up any like excess oil or dirt that has been building up on my face throughout the day, because it's like 11 p.m. here and I did my morning skincare routine obviously, but I haven't yet done my nighttime one. I'm gonna do that after this video, so let's go ahead and do this. I have my little cotton thing here, and you just literally push down on the little pump thing and product comes out. Oh, that's a lot. I went a little heavy on that, but that's okay. It feels really gentle on my skin, and it's not stripping the skin, which is good because you don't want that. Do you see this? That's really gross, honestly. But I would say that it works really well. I like it, but I'm gonna keep using it, and I will let you know my thoughts later on in the future. So the next thing in the box I'm so excited about, it's the Glamglow It's the Glamglow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I love Glamglow so much, so I'm excited that it was in my box this month. And I know their products are very, very pricey, but I mean, they're super high-end and they work really well. So I mean, I'm all for it, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and, oh, I almost spilled it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and test this out today on camera. This is what it looks like inside. It smells really good. It smells like berries, obviously. And I think it has little berry extracts in it. Do you see the dots? I think those are like tiny berry things. I don't know, I'm really bad at describing something. But it smells really good. So let me go ahead and put this on my face. I'm gonna be using the Morphe E9 brush. I would use my hand, but I don't want to. And I'm not putting like a lot, just like a very thin layer all over. Putting it on my skin feels amazing. It's so cooling. Oh, I love it already. Okay, so mask is on, and now it says to leave on for 10 minutes and then go wash it off. So I will be right back in 10 minutes to tell you my thoughts. Okay, so I'm back, and honestly, I really like this face mask. I like how it made my skin feel. I feel very hydrated, and basically it feels like my skin just drank a bunch of water. So that's a plus, and I can't wait to keep using it. Now let's get into the next item in the box, which is this. This is the Conceal and Perfecting Crayon by the brand Trestique. Now mine is in the shade Bisque, which is way too dark for my skin tone right now because, you know, I'm Casper at the moment. So I'm actually not going to try this out on my face, but I will go ahead and swatch this for y'all on my hand. See how much darker that is than my skin tone? But I mean, it feels really creamy and it seems like it's blendable. So maybe I'll try it when I have more of a tan going on. Okay, and then the last couple of items in my box I got were kind of the reason why I'm annoyed with this month's box. They gave me 2 eye products, which is fine. I just wish that they would have mixed it up, kind of like 1 eye product and a lip, or 1 eye product and, I don't know, a skincare item. But nope, I got 2. So this first one is a palette by Studio Makeup. It looks like this. Super simple and plain. Kind of boring, but I like it. It's pretty. It kind of reminds me of an Urban Decay palette in a way. So I'm gonna test that out today. And then I also got these 2 glimmer shades by Ace Beauty. This one's in Cotton Candy and this one's Iced Latte. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. So here's Iced Latte and here's the Cotton Candy one. I'm definitely gonna use this one on my lids today because it just looks bright and fun. But they're both really pretty. I really like this Iced Latte one too. So we will see how they work on the eyes with that Studio palette that I got. Okay, and then I'm actually going to jump off camera yet again just so I can figure out what type of look I want to do with this palette and these shimmer shades. And then I will be right back to do the other eye for you all on camera. Okay, so this is the look I came up with. I honestly love it. It's like this halo-y eye type look. and I like that this color is in the middle. I like this palette overall. I think it's actually better than I thought it was going to be. The pigmentation kind of sucks, so you just have to build up the color, which is fine, like it's not a big deal. But the shades that I used blended so well. And this, I only used the cotton, I only used this cotton candy shade on the lids today, and it was super creamy and it glided on my lids very nicely and blended in with the other shades. The only thing is it had a tiny bit of fallout, not anything drastic, so I mean, it's not really a big deal to me. But yeah, I'm super impressed with how these turned out, and I really like this eye look. Like, I really like it. Also, in the video, I used my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. No lashes today because honestly, after this video, I'm washing my face and I'm going to bed. So, but anyway, that was everything in this month's box. And I just remembered that I didn't give you prices to any of the products. So let me do that right now. Okay, so this Glamglow mask, it retails for $49, which is amazing because you only get this box for $25 a month. And then this Tarte Micellar makeup remover and cleanser retails for $18. And then this Studio Makeup palette retails for $35. And I don't know where it is at the moment, the Trestique Cover Concealer Crayon, that retails for $24. And then the Ace Beauty eyeshadow pods, these retail for $25 each. Holy crap. So yeah, that's amazing considering that you get all of this in your box for only $25 a month. Yeah, that was everything in this month's box. Let me know what you got in your box. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know below. Follow my Instagram. It'll be linked down in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!